Looking for the perfect coolers and refrigerators? Here's what you need to know. The BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants what you get. The Crossing 2212V refrigerator comes with a 2-year tech support. If you have any questions about the product, please reach out to BougeRV, as we provide friendly tech support. Package included: DC power cord, 56 feet AC power cord, and user manual, designed to help you fast cooling down to 32. With compressor refrigeration technology, this 12V car refrigerator could achieve 15 minutes fast cooling from 77 to 32 and 50 minutes from 77 to -5, keeping your food fresh. No ice needed. No food spoiled. Money and space saving. Dimension: 22, 6,812, 6,012, 97 in. Weight: 22, 27 pounds. Lightweight. Great choice if you need 45W low power consumption. With Eco Energy Saving Mode, this 23 quarts portable refrigerator's operating power is less than 36W. Even running on max mode, 45W, it consumes far less than 1 kWh per day for its intelligent cycle work. You can run this portable freezer fridge with 12/24 VDC power on various vehicles, such as subs, trucks, RVs, camper, van, boat, etc. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.